Hello, welcome back to class. Change 432 base 5 to base 3. Change 432 base 5 to base 3. So this is conversion from base 5 to base 3, conversion from one base to other base. But before we can convert from base 5 to base 3, we have to convert from base 5 to base 10 first. Then from base 10 we convert to base 3. So let's convert 432 base 5 to base 3. So the best method is to use the expansion method. We are going to be using the expansion method. So we start this. You can label it, you can choose if you know that this is raised to power 0, this is raised to power 1, and this is raised to power 2. You can choose not to write it, but you can put it in your calculation like this, then rub it off after. So we will be using the number here to multiply the base raised to power whatever we have on it. So this is 4 times 5 raised to power 2 plus 3 times 5 raised to power of 1 plus 2 times 5 raised to power of 0. Then we continue the calculation. This is 4 times 5 times 5. That is 5 times 5 plus 3 times 5. 5 raised to power 1 is 5 plus 2 times 5 raised to power 0. Let's just write the answer here. 5 raised to power 0 is 1. Then we have 4 times 25. 5 times 5 will give us 25. Then I write 15 and this is 2. 4 times 25 is 100 plus 15 plus 2. 100 plus 15 plus 2 will give us 117. Don't forget we have successfully converted to base 10. So 432 base 5 to base 10 is 117 base 10. So we'll be converting 117 base 10 to base 3, and we'll be using the long division method. Repeated division method, that is what we'll be using. The base we are converting to is what we'll be using to divide. 3 dividing 11 will give us 3. That's remainder of 2. What is 27 divided by 3? The remainder that we have here, we add it to the 2 to make it 27. So we're dividing it by 3 again. 27 divided by 3, that is 9. So we are left with nothing. The remainder we have there is 0. So we have remainder of 0. And we have 3. 3 dividing 3 is 1. 3 divided by 9, that is 3. The remainder is also 0. Then we use 3 again. 3 divided by 13, that is 4. For remainder 1, because 3 times 4 will give us 12. So we have 3 here again. 3 dividing 4 will give us 1. 3 times 1 is 3. So we have remainder of 1. And then we have 3 here. 3 in 1 is 0. Remainder of 1. So we're writing our answer from this last one. Then we go up like that. 117 base 10 equals 1110 to base 3. So therefore, our question 432 base 5 equals 1110 base 3. And that is the answer. Convert 33 base 10 to a number in base 2. So we are going to be dividing by the base we are converting to. If you are converting from base 10 to base 2, so we just write the question and we divide by the base we are working towards. So we have 2 divided by 3. 2 in 3 will give us 1, remainder 1. In 13 as 6. 2 times 16 is 32. That means it remains 1. So we are going to write the remainder here. Then we divide using 2 again. 2 in 16 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. The remainder is 0. 2 in 8 we have 4. 2 times 4, 8. The remainder is 0. 2 in 4, 2. 2 times 2 is 4. The remainder is 0. 2 in 2 will give us 1. 2 times 1, 2. The remainder is 0. And then 2. 2 in 1 is 0 and the remainder is this 1. So we are going to be writing our answer from here. So 33 base 10 equals 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 base 2. Take note, we are not writing from here. We are starting from the last number. So we write it upward, not from up to down. Because if you write this question, the answer from up, it will still give you the same answer. But we are starting from this 100001 base 2.